Hey y'all, Christopher here, and welcome back to the Boldly Grow Homestead. Just a short video today. I have my first, where are they? Tabasco pepper starting to ripen, so I figured it would be time for another taste test. I might regret it, but it's so tiny it can't be that bad, right? Sure. Let's go. Homesteading, the original frontier. These are the adventures of the Boldly Grow Homestead. Its continuing mission to coexist with the environment, to find new plant varieties and new inspirations, to boldly grow like no one has grown before. Alright, so here it is. Tiny little thing. Let's give it a try. Ooh! Yep, that back sponge. Ooh. Well, there you have it. A very nice, spicy Tabasco pepper. If you like this video, comment, share, like, subscribe. Don't do this, and don't forget to boldly grow. Ooh, I need some water.